Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A major transformation is on the way for one of Kingston's key entry points. The Florizel Glasspole Boulevard is set to get a major facelift under the Spark 2 program. The initiative is aimed at paving the way for a more modern and visually appealing capital. Sandy Williams reports.
For many arriving in Jamaica, this is where the journey into Kingston really begins. A stretch of roadway that moves traffic and sets the tone. Stretching from Harborview Roundabout to the Windward Road intersection, the Florizel Glasspole Boulevard connects the airport corridor to the heart of the city. It's a corridor full of life, movement, and few rough edges. Pedestrians making their way across, heavy-duty trucks move in and out of nearby industrial facilities.
Even though it's an industrial area where you have a lot of manufacturing plants, it can be beautified. We need beautification and continuous cleaning. Even the sidewalk being the efficiency of the workers with the industry in terms of carried cement or even the flour mill. That would be a good thing. The drains within the road need to be on the same level as the road, just to ensure smooth transition when people are passing by and they can look.
Now, the government is looking to literally smooth things over. Under the Spark 2 program, $25 billion has been earmarked to upgrade 35 major corridors across the island, and the Florizel Glasspole Boulevard is on that map.
We want it to become an iconic, elegant boulevard. So yes, Philip, this is a part of the development of downtown Kingston. And the project is not just an announcement, it is funded.
Plans include a complete rehabilitation of the roadway, improved coordination for industrial crossings, and the redesign of the median, transforming it into a feature of beauty and functionality. The goal is to create a corridor that makes a lasting impression.
The mural on the wall behind me may add a little color, but it cannot cover up the need for a complete refresh. For visitors leaving the Norman Manley International Airport, this gateway offers a first look at Kingston. Unfortunately, it shows more of its industrial side. And so under the Spark 2 program, the aim is to give this boulevard a welcome worthy of the capital.
The upgraded boulevard is also expected to complement the wider transformation of downtown Kingston, linking into ongoing waterfront improvements, including the Kingston Harbour Boardwalk project.
Only thing we have no expectation of maintenance, because there's never a system in place for maintenance. Pretty, nice, watertight, all of the dust, all of the traversing, and put along certain key points, some garbage bins for disposal.
Reporting from the Florizel Glasspole Boulevard in Kingston, I am Sandy Williams for TVJ News.